Hi and good day to all. Today's video is about be a good human being than being materialistic. Good human being. A good human being will give happiness to others, will be a kindness towards the people. It gives more affection, comfort, positive feeling, satisfaction, generous behavior, thoughtful characters. So there was one story. Arjuna and Krishna, after the war, they are walking in the road. So a poor old man came to them and asked, now you succeeded in the war, now you have going to help the people. I'm very poor old man. Please help me for my survival. Immediately, what Arjuna did, he gave some gold coins and said, okay, have this and have a survival. The old man walked for some distance. The gold coin, unfortunately, was robbed by someone. So he lost the gold coins. So he was very depressed and frustrated. What to do? I lost my gold coin. Then, after some days, he again saw Arjuna and Krishna. Arjuna asked him, how are you? How is your life now? The man answered, I lost that gold coin that was stolen by someone. Please help me to survive. Again, he gave one pearl stone. He gave a pearl and he said, keep this pearl and make a good survival. So, what this old man did, he went home and kept the pearl in one pot. So, unfortunately, his wife took the pot to the river to have some water. So, there she lost the pearl stone. She do not know about that stone. So, she lost it. So when she came back home, she understood that the old man is searching for the pearl stone. Then they understood it was a pearl. So it was lost in the river. And after some days, Arjuna and Krishna saw this man. We helped this man twice, but also why he is like this? So the man asked the Arjuna, please help me for at least today's survival. I want something. So Krishna said, give him that puffed rice which you have in your hand. So he gave the puffed rice, popped rices. So the man was eating that popped rice and he is sitting near to a river and he is putting that puffed rices in the river. So many fishes was coming and eating that puffed rice. So he noticed that one fish got choking and it is surviving for breathing and it could not eat this rice. So immediately the man went closer and he wants to help the fish. He took the fish in hand and he saw that the pearl stone was inside the fish mouth. So this man took the pearl outside from the fish mouth and the fish was very happy and the fish was again left back to the river. So what is the moral of the story is when you give to others, the man gave the puffed rice to some living things and he got back a pearl stone. So the moral is if we give, we will get back more. If we give, we will get back more. Everyone can help someone's need. So a materialistic persons are like they wants to be have a decent dressing, they were more possessed to the money, always they want money, more greedy, they want a luxurious car, they want a best bike, they want more friends, they want to show their physical well-being. They are only think about the physical status, how they are, they only think about their physical well-being. So these peoples are called as the materialistic people. They won't have any happiness because of helping others or humanity, showing humanity to others. So a man, we all know a football player, Cristiano Ronaldo. We all know about that man. Also, we know about his humanity. 5 times he have won the award which is called Ballon d'Or award. And he is also in many NGOs. Many NGOs like Aid Still Required, Save the Children, UNICEF, Kahana Scotland, World Vision, and he even used to sold his awards. And one time he sold his gold boot for 1.2 million in an auction, and he gave it to the poor children's for school children's. He has sold many trophies and he has helped for the cancer patients. And he has not got any tattoos because it decreases the chances of donating blood. So he is a donor of blood also. He donates blood, he donates money, he donated for the Nepal earthquake. He always takes the time out to meet underprivileged and differently abled, especially children's. He donate for the cancer patient and many, many more he has helped. So helping other and showing humanity makes him to be more happy, more satisfied, kindness and more positive feelings. So not everyone has got a good childhood. Not everyone has got a good childhood. Some children are in as a labor. Not everyone goes to the school. Some are still in labor. At least we can help and we can have some time saying about the importance of education. So, we are not impressed with money or social status or by the job title. We should be impressed with how the way someone treats us, how someone treats other human beings. So, that is very important. Treating a human being is very important. So, there was a king. So, the king was very much stressed and he is walking in the road. He saw a farmer. The farmer is happily singing a song and he is happily taking water from the well, and he is having a small farmland. He is irrigating the farmland and he is very happy. So the king was thinking, I have too much of money, but I am not happy. How this poor farmer is happy? So he asked the farmer. So the farmer replied, I earn little, but I take the responsibility. I take care of my parents. I take care of my brother. I give it to my family. I see the happiness from them. I get satisfied. I'm more satisfied by caring the people, by showing the kindness to the people. I'm in very comfort. So it doesn't matter that we have to give the salary or we have to donate. If we do not have anything also, at least we can help the people who is close to us. Even nowadays, people are not taking care of their parents in this materialistic world. They could not take care of their own parents also. So, less luggage, more comfort. So we should help others. Humanity will give the happiness. They will not forget us. This will give a positive feeling. This will be a kindness towards the people and affection towards the people. And this will be a generous behavior. Thank you all for watching the video. Have a good day.